Dear viewers and subscribers, welcome again to our YouTube channel Max the Service. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive all notifications regarding any video we are uploading on this channel. So, in this session, we will be working on terminal knowledge, and in this session, we will all only working on Windows CMD command prompt uh, because we will present you, we will experience with some basic commands which mostly used while you are being DevOps engineer. You must know these commands which are very, very basic, and you can also use these commands on PowerShell as well. And in next video we will work on Linux operating system on CMD to execute and know the basic commands as well. So I hope you will enjoy this series as well after because this is for beginners and some few advanced commands I have also presented to you in this session. So let's start a practical session and know how these commands works and how we can use in our daily routine while be a good DevOps engineer. We have opened CMD as a administrator, and now we will do some practice with basic and some well-known commands. And uh, in this tutorial, actually, we are going to use how to use CMD and what commands are useful while working as a DevOps engineer. Definitely, we can use PowerShell and PowerShell, and right now I'm using CMD command line interface of Windows, and we also have session on Linux operating system environment. Today we are covering Microsoft Windows, and on Windows what commands are more popular and most useful used during your daily professional activities. Let's start one by one. So we have started CMD. As a normal user, you can also start CMD. Okay, simple. Go to start and just write CMD, and you can have this one. So here you can see for normal user, the user with which I am login is HP, right? And I have started as administrator, and that is another user as an admin user. Actually, why I started with admin user? Because with admin user there will not be any restriction or any issue executing command. So let's start with this logged in normal user. If we see any issue with any command, then you can open administration, right? Okay, so first command is uh, to prompt as administrator, right? Actually, after entering this command, opens another command prompt which an administrator. So for that, what we can use, we can write PowerShell start cmd -v run as. You can see another command prompt is open, and here you can see, okay, system there is such wireless interface, sorry. Okay, okay, so Okay, guys, today we will cover all commands, mostly, not all, mostly useful and in normal daily routine work used in Windows operating system. We will cover all those commands, and uh, for Linux environment operating system, we will be using we will be having another session where we'll cover all those commands mostly used during DevOps engineering. So today our focus is just to use CMD. We can also use these commands in PowerShell as well. So today the only focus is CMD, command line interface, right? Uh, First of all, first curious, if I want to list all installed drivers, what command should I be using? Simple, you can write driver query. You can see all installed drivers are your Windows. Okay, as a DevOps engineer, if you see that there is any issue with the drivers, but you can just configure with this command, you can see either that drivers is available or not. So we have all listed drivers installed on this machine. Okay, CLS clear screen. Okay, next command is to change the current working directory to the specified directory, right? Let's suppose if you want to move another directory for normal routine, simple, you can go and open like uh, a browser. Okay, let's say I see I'm right now I'm in Windows and I want to go in this session, then I will write CMD enter. I will be available here. Another way, what is another way? I just write change directory videos, right? If I go to simple, let me close this first to avoid confusion. Let's suppose CD uh, videos. You can see I am here in videos, even though I can change desktop. System cannot find the specified path. Actually, you should be able to on the same hierarchy. If I go back, okay, and then I again write cd desktop. You can see now I am on desktop. Okay. I mean, wherever you are and just move to another directory, you don't need to go another folder and open another CMD. You can just quickly move any other folder. So another query, let's suppose if I want to view the system info, what command I will be using? I just write system info. Here you can see all system info will be available. You can see system name, version, Microsoft version, BIOS version, everything. Okay, let me clear this. Now another command is just to show your environment variable. Definitely you will be surprised. Oh, what should I use? Just you can set right. All environment variable you can see here, Java, home, whatever environment variable you have set, you can just view. Okay. And now my query is change the default text shown before entering commands. I mean, whenever I enter any other command, it should prompt me for that specific command. Okay. Then what should I you using? Prompt you do what I say. Okay, sorry. What I say, $G uh, prompt prompt. Here you can see. Okay, actually $G, how to come back? Just you can, if you will write exit, it will exit you from the CMD. Now I am again in CMD. and you can see uh, after prompt, uh, actually what I use $G, it was greater than. Don't uh, don't think that $G is also part of command. Okay. Okay. Next is copy all the item to the clipboard. Okay. I mean, you just want to copy the columns, whatever contents in your folder, set folder, and you can just copy, and anywhere you can just paste. So I just go, for example, in directory, uh, clip copies all the content of the present working directory to the clipboard. Let's suppose if I go to a directory like demo, we have already used in last session for hello world example. If I want to copy all these uh, content, what I will do? Okay, I will just uh, set the path. Okay, copy, and just I will write dir sorry, cd. First I will move into that directory, sorry, cd, what directory is, why it's showing different name while I'm C users HP downloads demo, then we have demo. Okay, first I need to move here demo, then simple I will write directory dir and clip. Okay, just I will enter, it will copy all the content, and I can show you if I go to in any other folder. Okay, let's suppose here I create new folder, test, just will I will copy all the content and I will paste here. Okay, and all those copied content can be moved to here, right? Another command is you can type clip and hit enter to see how to use it. I mean, if uh, okay, okay. Next command is ASSOC, list programs and the extension they are associated with. Okay, if you uh, want to see the all programs and their extension, then you will just write, I just want to back, okay, now I am at HP user level, and just I will SSOC, and it will show all the programs with their extension. Okay, you can see all the program with extension. Okay, okay, what is actually what is associate? Just you will you will write assoc, and you can see all. Okay, you can also change the title of CMD. Your why we use this? Let's suppose because DevOps engineer may have number of command prompt CMDs open, and they don't want to reopen and again go on the same path. Just you can just I add title, so that let's suppose it is uh, dev ops training. Okay, you can see on the top DevOps training. This command will be used whenever you let's suppose you have many other commands open, Yes, you can just see, okay, I want to use this, and here I can use any command whatever I need. Instead of opening and seeing in the content, okay, what I'm which command prompt I have to go with. So just you can go with this title. Compares two similar files. Let's suppose you have two files on the in your directory, and you definitely you can compare all these two files online. There are a number of comparer tools available. You can also use some paid, but short term or runtime, you if you have two files and just want to compare, you can just write fc first file, file 1 and file 2. Okay, here you will just put path and just enter. Okay. Okay, so let's see if we have two files, and let me try to compare. Let's suppose we have notepad abc, file file 1. Okay, let's suppose we have um, in document, right? And we have another file, uh, text file abcd, and we save it, file 2 in document. Now let me run the command and what it happened. Okay, so right now I have number of cmd, and I'm using DevOps training because I have changed its title, so I don't need other commands. I can delete these one. So let's suppose fc, I want to document file 1 and document file 2. Insufficient number of file specification. Maybe there are command text file 1 dot text invalid, then I have to enter double quotes number of specification. So what I am doing wrong here, fc, let me copy complete path in documents, file 1 file 2. uh, what is document file 1 file 2 txt file 2 cannot open file 1 text, no such file or folder. Why? File 2 dot text we have. Let me close these files because it's saying cannot open. So let me try again. No such file or folder. File 1. Hmm. Okay, what I'm doing wrong? Let's suppose if I change their extension .json file2.json. Let me try again. File 1 tex text. Sorry. Dot text new file. Test 1. Properties. Let me change it to two. Okay, and if I go to test2.json, test one document dot test 2. No such file or folder. Why it is saying if you are full path, what should be full path? Properties. Okay, let me try with full path. Okay, yes, I believe it will work now. And test 2. And here we have test 1. Okay, comparing file, no difference encountered. Test 2 and test 1. Why? Because here you can see I have in test 1 nothing. I have to write ABC. Okay, and now I'm going to write ABC 1 Okay, and now we will run again command C. Great. You can see in one file we have ABC one, and in second file we have ABC. So we are able to see the difference of files. Okay. Next command is cipher. Actually, it wipes free space and encrypts data. So on a PC, delete files remain accessible to you and other users. So technically, they are not deleted under the hood. Actually, you can use this command to wipe the drive, clean and encrypted such files. So let's suppose if you want to use this command, first I want to move in document. Okay, and let me see what are actually we have in documents. Here you can see we have many things in documents, and I create another folder. Okay, to avoid any issue, DevOps training, and let me copy these two files and paste here. Now I will move into CD DevOps training, and I will write cipher. Okay, you can see new files added to this directory will not be encrypted. So it is saying that in this directory you cannot encrypt your files. Okay, and if we go to here, these are not encrypted actually. Hmm. Okay. Netstat show open ports, their IP addresses and states. Okay. If you want to, let's suppose you see what ports are open, their IP addresses and whatever it's running on your computer, all these information you will be using command netstate. Let me move and back to main folder, and now you can see netstat an. It will show all the open ports, their IP addresses and states. Okay, you can see these are the foreigner, these are the local addresses and states. Listening, establish, connection is if established. These are on listening state. Once remote will connect, it will assign another IP and then state will be changed. Okay, and these are the local. Okay, actually, this command we mostly use to see ports open and connection is established or closed, whatever state is. We use net state. If you want to, let's suppose, show the website IP address, lets you know how long it takes to transmit data and get response. Okay, actually, if you want to see the rate of transmission data between the server, you are going to ping. Let's suppose if we will ping google.com. Okay, you can see the transfer rate and the reply from the Google, everything. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so if you want to ping any other IP, let's suppose you have deployed another service on remote and you want to uh, ping, then it will, let's suppose you have ping www, sorry, dot facebook.com. Here you can see the pinging of status of the data. Okay, next command is change the text color of the command prompt. Let's suppose if you want to uh, change text color if you have number of commands prompt open, and you can also, apart from title, you can also change the color of let's suppose one command prompt you are have logs with the error logs exception, you can change its color to red. One color you have just to write commands, then you can change green. So all this can be do for your easiness if you are working in office or even the remote, but you want to be prompt. Okay, I'm going to use this command prompt, and I remember if color is green something, I am going to do some commands. If there is color of red, I am going to logs see errors and exceptions from the dedicated server. So just you can write color attribute, color ATTR. It will show what color you want to choose. Let's suppose here I can, if I put what light red, see, sorry, it not C. I have to provide 9C. If I put um, color, and what I will be using, color C, you can see it will again to red. If I go to again color 7, it will be white. Okay, another command is to ipconfig. What ipconfig do shows information about PC, IP addresses and connections. Uh, you can view your systems, your PCs, IP addresses and connections. Sometime you have to provide your IP to your colleagues or any system administrator to configure on your machine some softwares or some antivirus. Then sometime from your IT department a request, okay, if you are having some issues related to installation configuration, provide us your IP. So simply you will write ipconfig. It will show you all the information like Ethernet adapter, your IP, your MAC address. Mostly we use MAC address, and it will also provide. Here is IP version 4. This is your valid IP system IP. This is your gateway. Okay, through which actually traffic enters. Okay, so what is next? Next is system file checker. Okay, this command scans your computer for corrupt files and repair them. Okay, the extension of the commands you can use to run scan is scan now. Okay, simple. If you write let's suppose sfc, you must administrator running console session in order to use the utility. This utility will be run by administrator. So I will open add a administrator, and if I go to uh, document cd dir, or it will show all the directories. Okay, if I sfc scan or whatever is, let me see what is the report, scans integrity protects files and incorrect version with correct version, it quickly done. Okay, here is the report for your scan. Okay, what is next? Power CFG controls configurable power setting. Okay, actually you can use this command with its several extensions to show information about the power state of your PC. Let's suppose you want to see, you can enter power CFG help to show those extension. Here you will see all those extension. If you want to see your system energy, you can just write uh, power power c cfg slash energy. Okay, this again require administrator command, and then power cfg energy, enabling tracing for 60 seconds observing system behavior. Let's see what happened. Okay, in the meanwhile, we try with another command, which is dir. If I will enter dir, it will show all the directory in this HP user. Let's suppose if I go to document directory, if I again put dir, you can see there are different directories. Course DevOps training we have created recently. Okay, this is the command. You can list down all those directories. It is a very famous command. You can also use del and the command of you let's suppose you are going to delete this DevOps training folder. That just you will write del and enter. It will prompt you, are you sure? Yes. If I again write dir, you can see, oh, volume is C has no label. Volume serial number is this, directory this. It is still here DevOps training. Why it is not deleted? Uh, you can hide folder from the command line by this, and you can show, but why it is not deleted from? Let me try again. I have opened this, might be possible. If I delete this, yes, and if I again dir, yes, it is still exists. Let me, I'm sorry, this file is used to delete the this command is used to delete the file, not directory. So let me again DevOps training, and we have file 1. Okay, parameter does not exist. What does it mean? Okay, uh, document and DevOps training. Here you can see it is now empty. We don't have any file 1 in this directory. Okay. Okay, so another command, if we want to hide a folder, what should we use? We just can write attrib plus h plus s and plus r, and then folder name. Okay, if we again run it, you can see here is no directory. Okay, if I again move it to minus, it will be shown. Now if I again run command dir, you can see here. Okay, so I might understand you are confused before running del command. Let me show it again, because I want to you understand completely very well. Let's first here you can see we have file one dot JSON text. If I write file one dot JSON text, if I enter and again dir, you can see here it was, but now it is not. Okay, I think you got the benefit of del command. And this command uh, attrib attrib command is also more beneficial if because if you know the folder name and just you want to keep hiding. Let's suppose if you are going to log off and going to your home and you don't want to show this folder to anyone else, just you can hide folder and you can go away. And next day if you come and join the office and log into the system and just you can see, okay, I remember the folder name. I just can write the command to hide and show. I can show this DevOps training and I can start my working. So this is very important for secure purposes. Okay. So if you another good command is you don't want to go browser and just to want to start your website, you can just write start www.google.com. You can start here. Here you can see I have started google.com. Okay. Okay. Another command which is most important, you can also use tree to view the structure of your directories in the system. This is less useful command, but sometimes you can use. Okay, if let's suppose if you're not going to folder by folder, you can just write here and see the hierarchy of your files and folder. Okay. Actually, tree of the current directory or specified drive. You can also specify another drive, like I can write tree and DevOps. Sorry, document. Oh, document. Here you can see hierarchy. Okay, and what if I want to show the version of my system? What should I write? I only write only VER, Microsoft Windows 10 Professional. Okay. Okay. What if I want to show open programs? If I want to show you can do the same thing you do with the task manager with this command. Mostly you went to task manager and see what programs and applications are working and just you can go and kill. So just you can also write task list, and here you can see all those application and programs running. Okay, and you can also view the process ID. PID mean process ID. You can just want, okay, if I have running some program which I don't want to run anymore, just you can go and uh, pick process ID and just you can kill them. Okay. And if you want to kill any process, then just you can go and write like task kill process ID minus f. Here you will write just process ID. Let's suppose if I want to kill this avast. Okay, invalid argument. Okay, task kill slash task kill. Let me see what should I use. Okay, let me try another way. Task kill and cmd.exe. Okay, force. You have seen that I have kill CMD I was running. Okay, so this was to just you can also by running task list you can just add your name or process ID. Next is date. If I want to show the date, just I can write date and the same for time, and I can also write volume to list the volume which on which volume I am login. Okay, so it's a volume C, and here you can see it's a C. Okay, run the deployment image service management tool. Deployment image service management tool simple is deployment image service management. You can just write this command, and right now elevated permission are required. Okay, if I go and try with cmd administrator and write deployment image management system is not recognized. Sorry, deployment image system management. Here you can see all the information of deployment image management system. What is next? As you know, you can see Control C to just stop the execution of command prompt. If I see if some execution is working, you can just stop that, and you can write just help to view all the commands you can use, and also if you want to show custom message or message from a script or file, you can just write echo. Okay, echo, and you can just write hello world. Here you can see hello world. If there is anything, let's suppose if you are if you want to go execute a script, and in script there is a reference of file, then you can also return in file like echo what is this, that would be applicable. You can also use echo command to create a file. How? Let me show. Echo hello world, uh, hello dot. Okay, first I want to change directory cd document. Okay, here I have to, because otherwise I have to provide the path hello world hello dot txt. Now I want to see dir, there must be hello dot text file. Here you can see hello dot text. Okay. Okay, this was the method to create file. If let's suppose if I want to create directory, what should I use? Simple as mk make dir directory and directory name. As let's suppose I want to you create hello directory. If I want to see, here you can see hello directory dir directory also available. And let's suppose we have found the method to remove file like del hello dot txt. Okay, sorry, just I, yeah, hello, yes. Now there is hello file still exists. If I use hello uh, dot txt text, no, now there is no any more hello. Now if I want to delete directory, what should I do? Simple, we use make directory dir and directory name. Now we will use remove directory dir, rm remove dir directory hello. if I will use, you can see here is no, this was hello directory available, but now it is removed. Next is more. More shows more information or the content of a file. Let's suppose we have file, the name of file is we have created many file2 json.txt, and if I want to just read the content of this file2, then simple it will show us abcd, because we have created with these content abcd. Okay, now if you want to move the file from one directory to another, so we have file2 here and just want to move in DevOps training, then what is the command? Move, then file name, file2, and then directory name DevOps training. Okay, you can see file move. If I will use dir, you can see there is no file2. Now I want to go into DevOps training and dir. Here you can see file2 exists, right? Okay, now is if I want to rename the command, okay, what should I use? Okay, just I will write rename and the name of file. Okay, um, rename file name extension with the rename extension. Okay, so what should I use? We have created file2. Now I want to rename file2 to file3. Okay, rename file. First I will move document, uh, sorry, document file, mm, document file 2, sorry, file 3, and it is under document file 2.txt. Find the file specified. I think it should be file 3.txt. System cannot find file specified. So let me move into the directory, and oh sorry, yes, because it is under DevOps training. Yes, DevOps training file 2, and now I want to move this file, sorry, rename this file file 3.json, sorry, txt. If I again want to check, cd document DevOps training dir, here you can see it is file 3.txt. It was earlier file 2.json.txt. Okay, next is cls, clear the command line. We already have been using and you have seen that, and if you want to exit the command prompt, you can just write exit and shut down. It will start your computer shutdown, and it will restart in a hibernation. You can because you can just write shutdown and hit enter, and you can write exit and you will exit the command prompt. So guys, we have mostly used command on cmd, and I hope you have enjoyed Most of the time I did some mistakes myself because I know to make the concentration, and you feel that, oh, I am also have mistaken. So in this case you will remember, okay, max the service channel, someone presenting command prompt and also did the this mistake, what was the correct way and what he did mistake. So this will make the difference to make you understanding and make you learning. Okay, we already have watched in this video this mistake, and what is the accurate and perfect way to do the things. So thank you. So I hope you have enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not, otherwise keep in touch and share your circle. In next session we will be using some scripts, and apart from scripts we will be using Linux command prompt to have some practice on the Linux operating system with some basic commands. Bye.